Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
36 hours. Early bird check-in customers will have their boarding positions reserved beginning 36 hours prior to their flight's scheduled departure time. Boarding passes can be accessed beginning 24 hours prior to the flight's scheduled local departure time.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's recommended that you arrive at least 2 hours before your scheduled departure time. Though, some airports may recommend more than 2 hours before. Be sure to give yourself plenty of time, so you can get through TSA with time to spare.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.